Artichokes, with their distinctive shape and earthy flavor, offer a treasure trove of health benefits that extend far beyond their culinary appeal. Packed with antioxidants, fiber, vitamins, and minerals, artichokes are a nutritional powerhouse that can support various aspects of well-being. From promoting digestive health through their high fiber content to supporting liver function and aiding detoxification processes, artichokes play a vital role in enhancing overall health. Their ability to lower cholesterol levels, regulate blood sugar, and promote heart health underscores their importance in preventing chronic diseases. Here are the 11 main benefits of artichoke for our health and well-being. Rich in antioxidants. Artichokes are packed with antioxidants like chlorogenic acid and cynarin, which help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Supports liver health. Compounds in artichokes promote liver function and aid in detoxification, helping to protect against liver diseases. Digestive health. Artichokes are a good source of dietary fiber, promoting healthy digestion, regular bowel movements, and supporting gut health. Heart health. The fiber, potassium, and antioxidants in artichokes contribute to heart health by lowering cholesterol levels, regulating blood pressure, and reducing the risk of heart disease. Weight management. With their high fiber content and low calorie count, artichokes can help promote feelings of fullness, aiding in weight management and supporting weight loss goals. Blood sugar control. The fiber and antioxidants in artichokes help stabilize blood sugar levels, making them beneficial for individuals managing diabetes. Bone health. Artichokes contain minerals like magnesium and manganese, which contribute to bone health and may help prevent osteoporosis. Improved digestive health. Artichokes contain prebiotic fibers that support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria, promoting a healthy balance of gut microbiota. Brain health. Artichokes are rich in antioxidants like quercetin and rutin, which have neuroprotective properties and may help reduce the risk of cognitive decline. Detoxification. Artichokes contain compounds that support the body's natural detoxification processes, aiding in the elimination of toxins and promoting overall health. Skin health. The antioxidants in artichokes help protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals, promoting a youthful appearance and healthy complexion.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like it, subscribe, and hit the bell button, because you'll get notified when we publish the next video. I'll see you in the next one.